Move over, gas guzzlers. There's a new electric superstar in town and it's not what you'd expect. Meet the 2025 Hyundai Inster, the tiny EV that's about to shake up the urban mobility game. With a funky design, surprising tech, and a price tag that'll make you do a double take, this little guy is proving that big things do come in small packages. So, is this the ultimate city EV? Let's find out. First things first, this car has personality. Hyundai calls it fun-focused, and we see why. The Inster takes the casual luxury design theme from its bigger siblings, like the Ioniq 5, and shrinks it down into something even more playful. Up front, you've got these parametric pixel LED lights, Hyundai's signature look, giving it a techie, almost video game vibe. And around back, more pixels. The taillights mirror the front, making this little EV instantly recognizable. Inside, the Inster keeps things fresh. The cabin is simple but far from cheap. You've got a floating dual-screen setup, we'll talk tech in a sec, funky fabric seats with contrast stitching, and even customizable ambient lighting. It's like Hyundai took a city car and gave it premium flair, without the premium price. Now, let's talk about what powers this little beast. The Inster is fully electric with two battery options. Standard range, approximately 140 miles, perfect for city commutes. Long range, approximately 200 miles, for those who need extra juice. And here's the kicker. It supports fast charging, meaning you can go from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. That's game-changing for a car this affordable. With around 100 horsepower, the Inster isn't a drag racer, but it's peppy. The instant torque of an EV makes it feel way quicker than its specs suggest. And the tight turning radius? Perfect for squeezing into any parking spot. Don't let the size fool you. The Inster packs some serious tech. Standard features include dual 10.25-inch displays, infotainment plus digital cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Hyundai's BlueLink connected services, remote start, charging control, etc. And yes, it even has voice control, because who wants to fiddle with buttons in traffic? Safety? Also covered. You get lane keep assist, forward collision warning, rear cross traffic alert, and a rear view camera, all standard. Hyundai's not cutting corners here. Now, here's the real headline. Hyundai says the Inster could start under $25,000 before incentives. That's cheaper than most gas-powered subcompacts, and way cheaper than any other EV in the US. Think about it. No gas, lower maintenance, tax credits. This could be the EV that finally makes electric cars accessible to everyone, not just luxury buyers. So, is the 2025 Hyundai Inster the ultimate urban EV? If you want affordable, efficient, and packed with tech, absolutely. It's not a road trip machine, but for city dwellers, students, or anyone who just needs a no-nonsense EV, this might be the smartest buy of 2025. What do you think? Would you drive the Hyundai Inster? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more EV reviews. Until next time, stay charged.